Hey guys, Slightly Leaned here with my first POV video and my first with audio, which is hopefully not that bad. I have not tested it yet. Well, I did test it and it was trash, so I changed a little bit and hopefully it's okay now. And... oh, okay. And yeah, my plan for the channel, I wanted to start with that, would basically be me just riding around in the German countryside from time to time on the Autobahn, depending on where I need to go or where I'm coming from. And yeah, probably just me yapping about some stuff that's happening right now. I won't dive into politics and stuff like that. I don't have enough knowledge. I just know that it's not good to talk about it with people on the internet, so let's not do that. But yeah, I will hopefully manage to get some good footage, which then I can share. And because I'm not sure about the audio, I might upload it, I might not, which would be sad because I need to think about how I'm doing it then. But yeah, whenever I'm riding, I'm just doing it to get some free space in my life to do it. And yeah, I forgot what I wanted to say, but that's like not a problem of my brain, it's a problem of my English, because I'm not the best at English, and I will try to improve that while I'm doing this Moto vlogging. My vocabulary is very small, so I definitely need to improve that, and that's basically what's going on here. Wait a second. Okay, he's just parked, I guess. No one was in there. Okay, yeah, so my English will probably one of the biggest problems in terms of talking about stuff. And hopefully I can improve again. I was pretty good once, didn't need it for 6 or 7 years now, or at least not really, just for gaming, and that's basically a different kind of English you need. So yeah. What I realized when riding with my friends is whenever I tend to enjoy the day, the weather, the ride, I go completely silent. We're mostly connected by scenas and talk about stuff that's going on and what are we gonna do in the next couple of days, or yeah, it's just normal conversations, to be honest. But